Making YouTube videos is exhausting. The research, the writing, the editing. What if an AI could handle most of that for you? In the next few minutes, I'll show you a simple 4-step workflow using Claude that took my video production time from hours to minutes. No coding required. Here's what actually eats your time: researching a topic worth covering, writing a script that hooks people in the first 5 seconds, designing slides or a thumbnail, and writing a title and description that actually get found in search. Doing all 4 every single time is why most people quit before they post their 10th video. But here's the thing: almost all of this is repeatable. And repeatable means it can be automated. That's where Claude comes in. Think of it as your production assistant for 4 jobs: writing the script, building the visuals, packaging the SEO, and turning the whole thing into a workflow you reuse every time. Let's walk through each one. Step 1. The script. Open Claude on the web or the app and describe your video. Be specific. Give it your topic, your target length, and your tone. Try a prompt like this: write a 3-minute YouTube script for beginners on my topic. Hook viewers in the first 5 seconds, cover 3 main points, and end with a clear call to action. Then just refine it. Ask for a different tone, a shorter cut, or 3 alternate hooks. Step 2. Visuals. Claude can build an actual slide deck for your script. The one you're watching right now was made this way. It can sketch diagrams to explain a concept, or generate thumbnail concepts and title text. These come back as real files, so you can screen record them directly or drop the images straight into your video editor. Step 3. SEO. Once your video's cut, ask Claude for 5 click-worthy titles, a description with time-stamped chapters, a list of relevant tags, and even a pinned comment to boost engagement. This is the unglamorous part most creators skip, and it's the part that gets your video found. Step 4. Make it repeatable. Save your favorite prompts as a template so you're not starting from scratch every time. If you're publishing often, tools like Claude Code or Cowork can help batch several videos at once. You'll still hit record, edit, and upload yourself, but Claude preps everything leading up to that. So that's it: script, visuals, SEO, workflow. 4 steps, 1 assistant. Your turn. Open Claude and paste this: help me plan my first automated YouTube video. My channel is about blank. Start with the script. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more Claude tutorials.